Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, I'm going to my dental appointment. So today is September 16, 2023. So I'm here now at the moment in FCIE. So huminto ako guys para bumili ng rambutan para ibigay ko sa aking dentista as my appreciation and thanksgiving for her as being my good dentist. And syempre, na-late kasi ako guys. Dapat ang appointment ko ay 2 p.m. Pero na-late ako ng 25 minutes. So, ayun, nahiya ako sa kanya. Kaya, ayun, para naman mayroon akong sorry, something. So, bilhan ko siya ng rambutan. So, ayun, nandito na ako sa overpass, guys, sa FCIE. And konting lakad na lang, malapit din sa Jollibee. And nandoon na ang dental clinic. So, guys, I'm so excited kasi nga, it's been 3 years and 11 months. And ngayon na yung araw para malaman ko kung talagang pwede nang tanggalin yung aking upper brace. Kasi yung lower ko, 6 months na siyang tanggal. Pero yung upper ko, ngayon pa lang siya matatanggal. So, yeah, I'm so excited guys. So, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, mainit. At ito yung rambutan. Ang ganda ng rambutan at mura lang siya. So, tamang lakad ng person. Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi nga super excited. So, welcome to FCI guys. Nandito na ako sa FCIE. Ito yung paradahan. Papuntang doon pala. Dito sa kabila papuntang 13 Martires, Cavite. So, ayan. Nandito sa kabila guys yung Jollibee. Ayan. Hello Jollibee. So, konting lakad pa. Nandito na guys yung dental clinic ng ProDental. So, grabe, ang tagal na guys. So, balik-balik ako dito every month ever since 2019. Akalain mo yun, ang tagal ng banding namin ng doctor, dentist ko. So, ayan na siya guys. Yung salamin na yan, yan ang clinic ng aking dentist. ProDental. Ba yan? May ibo pa rin ako. So, ayan na. Magdo-doorbell na ang person guys. Ding dong! Ayan, ding dong! So, ayan, nandito na ako guys sa loob, patiently waiting para sa aking turn para ako ay ma-check up na ni Doc at matanggal na. Hello guys! Hello everyone! So, ayan, time check is 3:54 in the afternoon. So, finally, after 3 years and 11 months, na-remove na po yung brace ko sa upper. So, last time, 6 months ago, na-remove na po yung lower ko. Ayan, that's why naka-retainer ako. Pero yung upper ko po, medyo na late po siyang tanggalin. So, kanina lang po, at 2:30 in the afternoon, tinanggal yung aking upper brace, which is, tadan! So, ito na po yung ngipin ko, after 3 years and 11 months. So, ayan na po siya. So, ayan guys, medyo naninibago ako kasi feeling ko wala akong ngipin and ang gaan-gaan and medyo kinakabahan ako sa parating na retainer ko kasi nga, di ba hindi ako sanay ng may retainer sa upper kasi in reality po guys, medyo hindi ganun ka-comfortable kapag may suot ka na retainer. So, yung lower ko, it takes 2 weeks bago ko nagamay, bago ko na nakuha yung proper na ang feelings ko na comfortable ako. Kasi ang hirap talaga. Ang hirap ng salita. Tapos minsan, nakakatamad tanggalin siya. So, minsan kumakain ako, nasuot ko siya kapag mga soft foods lang and liquid. Natanggal ko siya kapag kakain ako ng mga oily, ng mga crunchy, yung mga hard talaga na pagkain. Tsaka yung matagalang kain. Pero kung normally mga light snacks lang, tapos mga malambot, hindi ko na siya tinatanggal guys. Kasi hassle. Lalo na kapag pupunta ako ng mall or ng kainan, nakakahiya guys. So, minsan wala akong ganang kumain. Kasi nga, siyempre kailangan ko pa siyang tanggalin. Kailangan kong pumunta ng restroom, tanggalin. Tapos after kong kumain, punta ng restroom, ibalik, magmumog, mag-mouthwash, o diba? Masyado siyang maraming kemerot yung dapat gawin. But anyway, para hindi bumalik yung ngipin ko dati, kailangan kong mag-adjust at sundin yung sabi ng dentist ko na kailangan 24 hours as much as best isuot ko po yung aking retainer. So, ngayon, mag-aantay ako ng 1 week para dumating yung aking retainer sa aking upper. And for now, 1 week akong walang retainer sa upper and ganyan po ang itsura niya. So, ganyan po siya. Dati po, yung ngipin ko sa unahan, sobrang ano siya, para siyang pangil, yung kabilaan, tapos para siyang mayroong malaki, maliit, gano'n. Pero ngayon, so far, after 3 years and 11 months, ganyan na po ang itsura niya. So, nakakangiti na po ako, guys. Big smile! Cheese! Cheese! Oh, may gano'n. So, ayaw ko pa sana ipatanggal kasi sabi ng dentist ko, masyado na matagal. Hindi na maganda sa ngipin kapag sobrang tagal. Kaya yan, guys. I'm so happy. Yung bayad ng aking retainer ay 7,000. So, nag-down ako ng 500. Ay, ng 5,000. Tapos yung 2,000. Pagkuha ko ng retainer, tsaka ko siya dadagin. So, I just wanna say thank you, Miss Pat, sa Prudental Clinic, kung saan ako nagpagawa ng aking magandang ngipin ngayon. Magandang smile. Kasi compare natin, yung pangit ko talaga. I will try my best na maglagay ng pictures at the end of this vlog para makita ninyo ang difference ng aking before and after brace journey. Kaya sa mga gusto dyan na magpa-brace at nahihiya or natatakot or kinakabahan or medyo nag-worry sa price, don't worry about the price kasi worth it naman. Kailangan mo lang ay patience, effort, and kailangan mong maghanap ng dentist na medyo affordable and magaling, and of course, yung malapit sa place mo para medyo tipid. The more na malapit, the more tipid, guys. Kasi kapag malayo, namasahe ka pa. So, ayun, kung mayroon kayong katanungan, please don't forget to comment down below. So, sana, oh my God, sana, na-inspired ko kayo na kung gusto nyo magpa-brace, ay magpa-brace na kayo. Huwag kayong matakot kasi yung braces is the best way para ma-fix ang inyong smile and teeth. So, ayan, yun nga lang, kailangan nyo talaga ng effort and patience. So, ayun, I'm so happy now, and I just wanna say to the person who behind the reason of my smile right now, thank you very much to you. So wherever I go, I always wear my smile, and you know that. I wish you are fine, and God bless you. So I'm wearing now the smile you given to me. So yeah. So once again, guys, thanks for watching and see you on my next vlog. I will add the picture of my before and after. So enjoy, guys! Hi guys! Finally, this is it. This is the journey of my braces since 2019. So after 3 years and 11 months, and finally, this is it. Already removed, and this is my journey. Throwback pictures of my before and after journey. So yeah, as you can see in the pictures, very different from the start, and slowly getting improving my brace and my teeth, getting alignment, closing the gap, and then after 19 months like that, my teeth and have moments that I cannot eat. It's too hard to chewing and swallowing food because it's not easy to have a brace, especially 3 to 4 days after adjustment. But since it's been years, I experience it, so I get used to it. But now I'm very happy that after 3 years and 11 months, finally the brace is off on my mouth. So I'm so grateful and happy. So yeah, it's so nice to throw back my journey. It feels like just yesterday, but it's not. It's a long journey. It takes a lot of patience, effort, and of course, money. So after 3 years and 11 months, this is my final smile. 3 years and 11 months, guys, and now my brace is finally removed, and this is my smile. I'm waiting my retainer after 1 week, and then I can wear my upper retainer. So this is my smile. I'm so happy, and it feels like I don't have this. But yeah. So thanks guys for watching.